Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's lecture is going to be on generating random numbers. How to generate random numbers between a certain range, okay, but using random module. So we are going to learn about new concept called as random module. See where exactly we can use this particular concept. You can play a game with your friends, just asking them to think numbers between 1 to 10 or 1 to 100 and asking them to guess the number, okay, whatever number we are actually trying to generate. Okay, so to play games like that you can make use of random module. Okay, it is an inbuilt built-in module within random function. Okay, which means we are not going to actually write code to generate random numbers. It is already been written, the instruction is already being written and it is kept in another function. Okay, so we are going to use that particular function into our program. So how do we do that? We are going to get that particular meaning or definition of random into this particular program, into our program. So we need to import. So write down the keyword import and the function name random. Import random. So I'm going to import the random function into my program. Okay, so the first line is mandatory. In order to generate or guess any numbers, you have to guess any number, right? You have to import this particular random function. After that, okay, now I'll try print random. Before that, let me write random, import random. Okay, see the syntax here. Random function dot random. I'm calling the module, opening and closing brackets. Fine. Random dot random. So random is the function which is used. Fine. So what will this do? It will try to print floating point values between 0 to 1. Random values between 0 to 1. Understood? So it will print the random numbers between 0 to 1. So I need to find out, print the answer onto the terminal. So I make use of print statement, beginning and ending with print statement. So what it will do, see here, I'm printing what value? Random dot random function. So it is generating a random numbers between 0 to 1. This is one kind of function you have. So let us run the code. See what's happening, 0.453, some random number between 0 to 1. Okay, again when I run, it will generate another new random number. See the number? Something else, right? Again when I run the code, there's one more random number. Okay, so to generate random numbers between 0 to 1, we make use of a random module. Okay, fine. Okay, now next one. Suppose I want to I'll clear this. I want to print the random numbers between certain range to guess any particular number. Okay, so what do we do? Random dot rand of rand range. So this is the method name, random dot rand range. Within bracket, I have to, if I just specify 2, I'm just specifying 2. Okay, let's see what is the output we are getting. I'll print this, print of random dot rand range. Okay, now let's check what exactly output we are getting. See, I'm getting 1. Let me run once again. You get 0. Let me run once again. You're getting 0. Run again, 0. Let me run until I get 1. You're getting 0 again. See, 1. Okay, so random dot rand rand range, opening and closing bracket. What is the argument? Only we are passing one argument, right? I've just passed 2 as the argument value, which means the value 0 to 1, 0 to 1 will be printed, either 0 or 1. Okay, so the range that you specify, the maximum limit, 1 less than the maximum limit, it will take it within the range. Understood? So it is 0 to 1. Okay, see the other example here. Rand dot range, I'll give 1 comma 10. I'll give 1 comma 10. So what will happen? Between 1 to 10, it should display some random values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but not the 10. Upper limit will be subtracted by 1. So the range from 1 to 9. So it displays random numbers between 1 to 9 excluding 10. Got it? So it will exclude 10. Range function will always exclude one number, the upper limit. It will always consider one number less than the upper limit. Okay, now let's run the code. See, I'm using comment lines here. Okay, see, now it's generating 4. Let me generate one more random number. It's generating 7. Next time when I run 9. Next time 6. Next time again it's generating 6, 2. Got it? So it's just like a game. You can play a game with your friends to just guess a number. You can specify the range here. Fine. This is one type of rand range method. I'll write one more. See here. I'll just make small change corrections here. 1 comma 10 comma 2. Okay, instead of 1, I'll just make the lower limit value as 0. Upper limit, first one will specify lower limit, second one upper limit, third one, if I'm giving 2, just when I run, I got 4. Again, when you run, you're getting 4, 8. Check the output, first time 4, 8, 0 I've got, again 0, 8, 2, 4, 0. So what is the output that I'm getting? I'm getting all even numbers between 0 to 10. You got it? So this is the step value. The last parameter argument that you're passing is the step value. First argument is the lower limit. Second is the upper limit. Third one is the step value. From 0 to 10, which means from 0 to 9, it will exclude the upper limit value. Minus 1. From 0 to 9, it will print all even numbers. That is step value. 0 plus 2 will be 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. From 0 to 8, you will get the answer. The random numbers generated. Okay. Now, if I replace the 0 with 1, the lower limit with 1. Okay, then what happened? It is 1. From 1 to 9. From 1 to 9. So 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Fine. So all odd numbers between 1 to 10 with the step value 2. Now let's check. So 1. I'm getting 1 first time. Again 1. Then 9. See the output. Again 9. 7. 5. 9. Okay, so it's repeating. 1. Fine. So all the odd numbers between 1 to 10 will be displayed. You have to please make a note here. The syntax here is the first number will give you the lower limit, second number upper limit, third argument will give you the step value. What is step value? From the first number, it has to jump to this particular number. I can give 5 also. I can give 5. Then it will be from 5 to 9. So always you'll get the answer as 5. The output as 5. Okay. Understood? And one more thing you have to remember is the upper limit minus 1 is the range. Okay. So I'll teach you the other range functions in further classes. I hope you understood these two concepts. Random function, print random dot random. Okay. So what will this do? It will print all. The first one will print the range values, random numbers between certain range. The second one will display the random numbers between 0 to 1 floating point values. Okay. I hope you understood the concepts. Thank you.